Hey, that's the expedition over there? All right, let me go there. Is the keys are lost or?
Yes.
Had all the options, right? The trunk and everything.
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
Fully loaded one, but looks like
It does look like it. If not, you know, if one of the buttons doesn't work, then it doesn't have that function. But it should have everything. You should tell him at 20 minutes tops. All right, so we got a 2018 Expedition. Gonna make a key replacement. All keys are lost on it. I'm gonna program one of these keys. How you doing? We have this slot right there. We're just gonna put our key there. So we have to switch over to the other programmer. Happens sometimes. One of them doesn't allow you to do a specific function, so you have to have multiple programmers to be ready for these type of instances. There you go. We have a key programming successful. I didn't have to use the second key. So now let's test it out. Rear hatch works. The remote stud works as well. We're done here. Oh yeah, that's me. How you doing? Yeah, I'm just making the key for this one. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. That's awesome. All right, let's turn this key over to the manager. That flag is huge. America. Got it done. Everything works. All the functions. Here you go. The rear hatch works as well, so it's $385. Alrighty, man. Well, thank you so much. Anytime you need anything, okay, let me know.